Hello and welcome, friends. Welcome to typing exercise. Let's start. In a quiet town nestled between rolling hills, a peculiar antique shop appeared overnight. Its door creaked open, inviting curious souls. Amidst dusty shelves stood a tarnished mirror. Those who gazed into it were drawn into a parallel world where time danced in reverse. One day, a young girl named Eliza stumbled upon the mirror's secrets. Fascinated, she peered into it, finding herself in a realm untouched by modernity. With each visit, Eliza witnessed history unfold. She became its chronicler, carrying tales back to her world. The shop vanished as mysteriously as it arrived, leaving memories imprinted in Eliza's heart.